Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2025 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. The 240 Vantage is an awesome dual console with a nice hard top. This has got the gray hull side with the white bottom. And then obviously we got the Merc on the back here. This is a 300 horsepower V8 on the back of this 240. Got lots of space here on the back. So there's plenty to see on the interior, so why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome inside this 240 Vantage. As we walk into the boat, you'll see seating. Obviously the captain's chair right there. We've got the co-captain's chair with the backrest that moves. It can go all the way down. It can go the reverse way. There's storage. We've got a seat that opens up here and stores away. All right, and as we walk to the helm, obviously we got this nice captain's chair with a bolster. We've got the nice digital throttle for the 300 horsepower outboard, and then we've got the touchscreen SIMRAD. So nice place to drive the boat. We come over to the port side. We've got this door that opens up to a nice head, vacuum flush head with a sink. And then as we come to the bow, nice big open bow. We've got storage underneath the floor. We've got a place for a table right there. This seat right here does open up and reveals storage underneath. 240 Vantage 2025 here at our Rogers store. Come on down and take a look.